Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's the CNY Central First Alert forecast. We've got a winter storm warning in effect. Now, it's for the entire area, but the entire area will not have exactly the same amounts. We have heavier amounts west and lower amounts east. I think that's the way it's going to work out this go around. We'll keep you posted. Here's a look at your daycast. Sunshine this morning giving way to increasing and thickening clouds. Snow starts at or after sunset. After starting off very chilly, we'll end off at a seasonable 32 degrees. So tonight is when we get snow heaviest at times. And like it says here, the heaviest totals are likely going to be across the western and northwestern areas, while lower totals will be found eastern and southeastern areas. Why the lower amounts east and southeast? Two reasons. One, you have a higher chance of getting a little sleet involved, which will limit accumulations. And there's also, in terms of actual precipitation falling from the clouds, there appears to be lower amounts that'll fall from the clouds across eastern areas versus western and northwestern areas. Well, whatever happens tonight and tomorrow, we will have lighter type snow and additional light accumulations per period when you include Thursday night, Friday, and at times this weekend. So let's get to the details. Sunshine, increasing clouds. We should be okay during the daylight hours, but again, that winter storm is on its way for tonight. And you will notice that precipitation coming in from south to north at around sundown. Notice that the heaviest snow is across northwestern areas and northern areas. Now, I know this pink might be a little aggressive for the sleet, but it does let you know that the southern and eastern sections have the best possibility for the most mixed precipitation. Whenever you get mix, it tends to lower the amounts, which is why you will see in a second that there are lower amounts for southern and eastern sections. But in that corridor near Lake Ontario and the Finger Lakes, you are at all snow, meaning no mixed precipitation. You're in the heavier amounts, which is why by 5 p.m. you're going to have the most. So let's get to it. I'm going to step out of the way so everybody can see everything at the same time. Boy, is there a difference within upstate New York. Notice the red there from Oswego to Rochester to Brighton to Niagara Falls. 12 to 18 inches likely along the lake shores. There will likely be some 12 to 18 inch amounts. Whether it's right there or right there, it's tough to say, but from Finger Lakes west, you've got an opportunity for 12 to 18 inches of snow in through there. Notice the east central part of the state, which includes sections near the 28 and 12 corridor, right about in there. Some spots may be limited to 2 to 4. By the way, the Catskills will have 12 to 18. But again, there is quite a bit of difference within the area here. In terms of Syracuse, I've got us in 8 to 12. I've got Watertown at 8 to 12 and Ithaca at 8 to 12. But there will be some variations in here. That's by 5 p.m. That's my best guess right now. We'll see what happens. If we have to shift it one way or the other, we'll let you know. Thursday night, what you see here is an addition. So you notice that it's snowing rather consistently and lightly. I expect whatever we get by Thursday, 5 p.m., expect another 1 to 3 inches of snow Thursday night and another inch or two of snow on Friday. Sunshine, 50-50 today, little to no sunshine Thursday to Friday. Precipitation probability is sky high tonight, tomorrow, and remaining pretty high Friday, and even through the weekend as well. Here's your 7-day forecast. The temperatures are staying right where they should be today, through the weekend, and as well for Monday. Local temps, northeast temps, region-wide. Here's a look at that system moving at us. Have a great day.